Marble the kitten faces his fear of heights with unlikely help from Toron.
1, 2, 3, 4, we will learn more and more. Welcome to the lesson form. It's time to have some fun.
Welcome to the lesson form. Let's learn and have a ball. Welcome to the lesson form. Let's learn and have a ball. Welcome to the lesson form. Welcome to the lesson form. Welcome to the lesson form. Let's learn and have a ball. Lesson form.
On this beautiful day in the lesson farm, Marble the kitten is excited to climb the Grand Tree, the tallest tree in the land. Marble is overwhelmed with joy before climbing the tree.
It's so nice up here.
Marble is frozen with fear.
Hey, it's a nice day.
Toron the bully bull hears Marble's cries as he approaches the tree.
Whoa, what are you doing way up there?
I didn't realize I climbed so high. I'm stuck.
Your voice is tiny. Climb down the branch so I can hear you better.
What now?
You should go to the next branch. That one looks unstable.
Marble trusts Toron's judgment and moves to the next branch.
If you go down to the next branch, I may be able to catch you.
Toron reassures Marble and offers his assistance.
Hey, I'm not so high up anymore. I see what you did. Thanks, Toron.
No need to thank me. That screaming was annoying.
Yeah.
And so, in the heart of the lesson farm, Marble learns the valuable lesson that when faced with a daunting challenge, it's best to tackle it one step at a time. With the support of friends like Toron, even the tallest obstacles can be overcome.
The Lesson Farm.